Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the pages of Harvard Men's Health Watch to uncover the secrets to a longer, healthier and happier life. We'll be taking a close look at some of the most recent studies and expert advice, covering everything from managing your blood pressure to optimizing your strength training routine as you age. We'll separate fact from fiction and give you practical tips that you can implement right away. Let's get started. Let's talk about the impact of blood pressure medications on men's sexual health. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial, but some medications can lead to unwanted side effects, including changes in sexual function. If you experience changes after starting a new medication, talk to your doctor. Open communication with your healthcare provider is key. They can help determine if your medication is the culprit and explore alternatives. Remember, there are often multiple options available, and finding the right one for you can make a world of difference. For men over 50, maintaining muscle mass and strength is essential for overall health and vitality. The good news is that it's never too late to start incorporating strength training into your routine. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, rows, and push-ups. Start with a challenging weight and gradually increase as you get stronger. Aim for at least 2 sessions per week, ensuring you give your muscles adequate rest. Consult with your doctor or a certified fitness professional before starting any new exercise program. We're often drawn to products labeled all natural, assuming they're safer and healthier. But as the Harvard Men's Health Watch points out, this isn't always the case, especially with supplements. The term all natural is loosely regulated, and even natural substances can have potent effects on the body. Some herbs and supplements can interact negatively with prescription drugs, leading to harmful side effects. Always research carefully before taking any new supplements and consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. Aspirin has long been hailed for its potential heart protective benefits, but it's not as straightforward as it seems. The Harvard Men's Health Watch emphasizes that the decision to take aspirin for heart health should always be made in consultation with your doctor. Aspirin works by preventing blood clots, which can reduce the risk of heart attack or stroke in certain individuals. However, taking aspirin daily also carries a risk of gastrointestinal bleeding. Your doctor can assess your individual risk factors and help determine if the benefits outweigh the risks. We all know that omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish are essential for heart health. But what about fish oil supplements? Do they offer the same benefits as consuming fish itself? While fish oil supplements can boost your omega-3 intake, evidence suggests that the benefits might be most pronounced when obtained through eating fish. Include fatty varieties like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna in your diet at least twice a week. If you're considering fish oil supplements, talk to your doctor to determine the appropriate dosage. Thanks for watching. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring insights from the Harvard Men's Health Watch to help you live a longer, healthier, and happier life. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your well-being. Subscribe to our channel for more health updates and leave a comment below with your thoughts. We're always here to support you on your path to optimal health. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.